D2EPC is organizing a workshop on the 8th of June, and we would be very pleased to welcome you to our event. The main scope is to present and discuss advancements in building performance assessment toward enriching the energy performance certificates with additional aspects characterizing the actual energy, smartness and sustainability performance of buildings. Among others, the vision of D2EPC on smartness, well-being and human comfort, sustainability and economical indicators will be presented and discussed. Respectively, the workshop will consist of presentations under the following sessions.
D2EPC aspires to deliver the next generation of dynamic energy performance certificates for the operational and regular assessment of buildings' energy performance. D2EPC relies upon and adjusts accordingly to the smart readiness level of the buildings and the corresponding data collection infrastructure and management systems. It builds upon actual data in the digital twin concept to calculate energy, environmental, financial and human comfort indicators, and through them the EPC classification of the building in question. The proposed scheme will provide sufficient background for the delivery of a set of recommendations for the required upgrade of existing SEM standards to enable the integration of the dynamic EPC concept. Besides, it will integrate the geolocation and the polluter-based practices into the EPC rationale. The implementation of the proposed project is also anticipated to foster the energy-saving consciousness of buildings users through the regular information on the actual energy performance of their buildings and suitable incentivization, as well as to establish the grounds for turning EPC's registries into consistent policy feeding mechanisms.
We are expecting interesting presentations showcasing the state-of-the-art from sister projects, PhD students, industry and others, and we are sure they will trigger some good discussions. Join us on the 8th of June.